Here's how to check if your USB drive has fake capacity or real. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to Google, Safari, or Chrome and search the www.passmark.com, which will direct you to the Burn It test. So for you to be able to check if your USB is actually real, do the step 1 where you will check that Windows properties shows that the drive has been size stated. From Explorer, navigate to the USB drive and right-click Properties and check the capacity shown. This should approximately match the stated drive capacity, which is usually printed on the outside of the drive. Afterwards, use Burn-In Test, which is the website that we're currently right now, with the following settings to test that the storage is really there. In configuration, test duty cycle, selected this test, set this test duty cycle to 100% duration. Afterwards, in configuration, go to preferences and dist, select the USB drive to be tested, set the file size to be 1% and the block size to maximum, currently 1024 KB. Afterwards, what you need to do is to run the burn it test. If the drive does not have the stated capacity, it means that your USB is actually real. But if it shows a data field or drive field, it means that your USB capacity is fake. So that is how you check if your USB capacity is fake or real. Just go ahead and do the test on Burn It test, because this will really help you whatever you put on your USB devices that you have.